If you've been waiting for the sign to get up, get dressed, and do something with your life, baby, this is it. If you love style, travel, beauty, and a little bit of chaos, baby, you're in the right place. Hey y'all, I'm Tiffany in Battle, and around here, we don't just watch life. We get out, get cute, and go live it. I've started this channel because I've always believed everyday life deserves main character energy. You don't need a special occasion to get dressed up, you don't need a passport stamp to explore, and you definitely don't need permission to do the most. On Sunday Stroll, we explore neighborhoods and cities one step at a time. It's an invitation to meander, lollygag, dilly-dally, and wander in a way that connects you back to yourself and your interests. We're exploring like a local. We're getting our steps in and getting inspiration along the way. In Class Werk, we're going to style school. So baby, get your pens and notepads ready. We're building outfits with intention, talking through the trends, elevating basics, and finding our own unique signature style. In a room full of copycats, baby, be the original. And then there's Tiffany Does The Most. And that's pretty self-explanatory. We'll get into the randomness that is my life, full of new experiences, random adventures, saying yes to the things that light me up and no to the things that don't. This channel is for the person who knows they want more out of life, more style, enjoyment, experiences, intention, and memories, just more. So if this sounds like your type of carrying on, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and join the community.